Hi everyone, my name's Phil Cook. I have a flight school company called Lavion Aero. Flew here in my Zenith 750 Cruzer. It's been a fantastic plane. I've flown it for the last 5 years. I fly around and I help people fly these things in their first flight and transition training. And my whole mantra is there's nothing like transition training in your own airplane versus you don't come and fly mine, we fly in yours. But you can get more information if you go to my website at lavion.aero and click the link for experimental. It's been a fantastic airplane for me. I fly it off at my cottage off an 800-foot grass airstrip, as well as my house at an air park. And notice it is the Cruzer version, so you don't necessarily need to have the STOL to fly in those kind of conditions. But it's been a fantastic airplane for me, and I can't recommend it enough.